Hello. I mean, hello. Today we're playing Roblox again. And we're playing this. And also, it's the middle of the night. So, if I have to make this video short or my mama will get angry at me. So first, let's start this game. And they say that it's offensive. Which is good. Okay, now we're in the game. And I got 3 items already. And of course, they said it's offensive. It looks like they're having fun. Never mind. So, I think I just have to wait here for the next round. What? Sir, what are you doing? Survivors! Mila Storm Young, Zingzala Artarla Uga, Johnny the Big Guy. Very nice names. Who is this? Totally Cool Kid. Oh my, Totally Cool Kid? Chaos City! Yay! Time for fly. It is time for time lapse because this is taking forever. Oh my god. Never mind, it's not time lapse anymore because this is offensive. First, stay away from the moving sun. And where's the sun? Oh my god, yes. That looks like... What's that? Like this Pikachu. Hello. Hello, dude. Hi, dude. Hi, dude. You ninja? I mean, are you a ninja? Oh my god, what is happening? Are you a ninja? What happened to me? Okay, I hate offensive. I love it when it's peaceful. But I am up to any challenge in Roblox because I'm a pro. I'm a professional. Who is that guy? Oh my god, is that cameraman? An apple a day saves the day. 80 Robux. Oh my god, only 3 survivors. Only 3 Robux. No, I mean 80 Robux. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Sir, are you a knight? Sir, can you protect Sir, why do you just make it up to 3? Who think this emoji is overrated? What do you mean? Skeleton. Nice. He just said the F word. Oh my god. Let's see if there's any memes. Oh my god, dude. Sir! Sir! The knight has died. Oh wait, he's still alive. Oh yeah, totally cook it. You're still, oh my god. I wish this was peaceful. I wish this was peaceful. Seriously? I'm the first one who died. Oh, never mind. It's the camera guy again. Let's see my items. Got the balloon and the apple and this Roblox Edge. Wait, don't tell me that this is gonna be the... Okay, hopefully it's not. Rope is trying to get for time-lapse again because this is getting boring for all of you guys. Okay, time-lapse. Okay, enough time-lapse now because it's done. And there is about 100 survivors. Except one little guy over there. I mean, two. I'm sorry if my English is bad. Okay. Yay, Roblox HQ. Wait, why is it not tall? Wait. This is starting to get offensive. Very offensive. Wait, they said let's go. 911. Who is that? It's totally cool, kid. I thought you're cool. I thought you're not offensive. Night is here. I remember bombing this HQ alone. Wait, what? With the hijackers? No, it's a tornado. It's a tornado. It's not 911. Okay, never mind. The cool kid is dead. Is he? Oh yeah, he's dead. Current date, September 11, 2001. Manhattan, New York, WTC. Oh wait. No, Cool Kid's still here. I'm not Cool Kid. I'm a cat kid. Cats allowed, so no Cool Kids. I think he's sad that 911 did not happen in this game. Oh my god. Okay, this is a noob. It's actually not a noob, he's a bro. Look, he can fly. He can at least jump. I am the storm that is approaching. Bro. This is my new bro. And hopefully he don't... I shouldn't say about that because I'm still young. Wait, I shouldn't tell that I'm not young, I'm old. Actually, you don't know my age. I mean... So we're just dudes flying around. Yeah. I'm the first... I finally survived one of these... I finally survived in this... Wait. My English is so bad. Yum. Aaron, I hate you. Levi's better. What is this? Wait, where's Cool Kid? Oh, Cool Kid's there. Yo, sir, what happened if there's a tsunami hitting you? Yo. Cool Kid. Cool Kid. Yo. Cool Kid. Cool Kid. Okay. Where's Cool Kid? Cool Kid just vanished. Oh, there he is. Hybrid disaster. Inbound. Oh no. President. Are you the president, ma'am? Oh my god, there's a sun. Oh my god. If people tell me that I scream like Finn, the human from Adventure Time, like this. Finn! Wait. Actually, no, never mind. Okay, it's time for time lapse again because I'm just gonna watch these guys die. Okay, let's end time lapse because yeah. Survivors Mobile XF471. Johnny the Bee Guy. Again. Yo-Yo215. Yeah. Okay, I think this machine is broken. Oh, you have to use K. Time for Chaos City. It's the best capital city in the world. Wait, I did not get my driver lesson. Oh my god, this guy is still my car. So are you gonna drive the car? Oh my god. Hopefully I don't die again because I hate dying. Sir, do you have a driver lesson? That's it. License, I mean. Because you're a coconut. And coconut have no brains. Earthquake! Get outside and stay away from tall structures. Bye-bye! This tall structure. I did not know that. Wait. Oh. Stay away from tall structures. I'm gonna do the opposite. Because I learned it from Totally Cool Guy. But he's a real... Wait, he's still alive. Cool Guy! You are my brother. And we have to survive together. If you die, I will tell your mom that you drank Coke. But you're only 6 years old. 6 years old. $500 boots. I mean, survive coins. 2. Wait. Did Cool Guy die? Oh no. Cool Kid. What are you talking? Stop saying that is very offensive, sir. For me? How? Oh, you mean this thing? Okay. Totally Cool Kid. You are my brother. Now we're gonna see survivors. You are my brother. Wait, where's Cool Kid? Cool Kid. Cool Kid. I think Cool Kid left the game. The temple. Is this offensive? Because I'm still a little kid. Is this? Oh yeah, it is a temple. I am. Okay. What's happening? Yo, is Cool Kid there? This look like is this religion thing? Majarasa. Bro, I survived the earthquake. Yeah, I know because I survived too. Seek warm and find shelter. I'm just gonna hang out with these dudes because they never die. Oh wait, there's no. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh, Cool Kid's here. He's my brother. Brother stays together always. Even though he's stuck and I don't know how to save him. Oh, Cool Kid. Cool Kid! Cool Kid is not okay because he's my brother. And brothers are not okay. Oh, he's... Cool Kid. Cool Kid. You are my brother. Bro, I said brother. You literally just sweared at me. Even though I said you're my brother. You are my brother. No. You are my brother. He left! Bro, why did he left? If he leave, I leave too. So, thank you for watching this video and subscribe.